Hi there, Jasmine with WTI. If you're looking to upgrade any chairs in your home, check out DAYALANE's Velvet Barrel Chairs. I wanted to spruce up my dining set with some accent chairs for the head and foot of our kitchen table, but I'm finding that the chairs fit so well in so many places of our home. Now I'm having a hard time deciding where to actually put them. It's a cozy chair for your space. It fits under the kitchen table edge well. The khaki color is neutral enough that it fits in well with just about any decor. And it has plastic feet that make it slide and glide real easily. And the fabric is a really good quality. It's super soft and feels luxurious. These chairs took our home decor up a notch for sure. I love having them around because of their versatile functionality. So don't waste your time on other chairs. These come in several other colors and textured fabrics. You need these. And that is my point of view.